Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So very much still in this channel, pretty much going sideways in amongst all the moving averages, but our oscillators are just getting separated wider and wider. If this thing reverses, in other words, if they start rolling here, oscillators start turning down with a sharp move in price to the downside, I have a strong suspicion that this is going to be a flag, and we are going to breach this weekly support level to the downside, something like that, which is a fairly big move, which would target around 104 to 83. Not underway yet, and obviously we have this level of resistance up ahead of us at 107,234. So don't jump in short for the sake of that just yet, because this is still sideways and confused. We're in amongst the moving averages here, although the faster moving averages have crossed over and we are now bullish. We are still below the 150 EMA, and that is my trend indicator. So for all intents and purposes, on the 3 hour we are below the trend, and then on the hour we have now come back to test the 150, and you could take that as we are now in a upward trend. For me, there's just too many tails here. Too many tails up, too many tails down. This is barbed wire. In other words, it looks like barbed wire when you look at it here. All these tails. And when you grab barbed wire, it hurts. So, yeah, I'm sitting quietly here and waiting for better days. I don't think there's anything worth trading inside here at the moment. You can see day before yesterday's price action was just insane, and I said, well, I'm sitting on the sides. Correct choice. Look what happened, and I think it's probably going to be doing the same. So what you're going to be wanting to do here is just wait for better days on the hour, and at the moment it's the low of yesterday. You're going to drop below that, then reject it, then you're looking to see what's going to transpire along the bottom of this channel, if it's going to break and move to the downside. But for now, you're probably going to just keep drifting sideways between 107,234 and 106,776. So I'm staying well away from this. There's a lot of noise around earnings at the moment, so I think that's where the focus is, and not really focusing on the economy or the dollar right now. So I'm going to be waiting. Sit back and wait is my play for Euro USD. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.